Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the side mirror on Alfa Romeo 159, Brera and Spider. Sadly, to remove the mirror you also have to remove the door panel, and if you want to see how to do that, I'll put the link to the video in the description below. I've opened up the window to gain a bit more room. I'm using a plastic trim removal tool. You can see it's pretty wide. I'm gonna place it right here and I'm gonna pry off the mirror. Be extremely careful because you can easily break it. Now I'm gonna remove these two wires. I'm basically just gonna pull them off. Right here are the plastic clips which hold the mirror in place. If you are only replacing the mirror itself, reinstall the wires and push the mirror in with the palm of your hand. This will minimize the chance of breaking. And that is basically it. Now we're gonna move on to the removal of the side review mirror. First, I'm gonna remove this foam. There are 3 T40 Torx screws that I gotta remove. There's the first one, here's the second one, and the third one is under this rubber right here. I'm gonna use my mid-size ratchet, the extension, and as I said, the T40 socket. There's only one connector that I have to undo, and it's this gray one. I'm gonna push the plastic clip in and I'm gonna pull the lever up. Now I'm gonna guide the wire through this hole. I'm actually gonna have to close the connector so it can fit through. And that is basically it for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of Alpha.